Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you can learn in this video that how to verify Google My Business, how to verify GMB. This is a very simple steps and you can verify GMB listing in the very easy process. Okay, so let's start. So my dear friend, you search on Chrome Google My Business, okay, and click first step. Okay, click here and this is open up the official website of Google My Business. Okay, manage now. You click here and give our shop name. Okay, so for example my shop name this. Okay, this is only for example Asad SE. Okay, and enter. So you select one. Okay, I recommended local store, yeah, online store. Okay, and give websites, for example my website this and next, and on other category select our category. Okay, and next, when you next, so this is select our country, for example my country Pakistan, so I select Pakistan and give their street address. What is your street address? Okay, so fill this form, for example street address, zip code, sector and city. Okay, so my city Lahore, and postal code. What is my postal code? My postal code is and next. When you next, so you select none of these. Okay, none of these and next. When you select next, so this is your pin. When your store, this is pin when your store is live. Okay, you select and next. When you next, so yeah, you have phone number. Okay, for example this is my phone number and next. So you write this and select and continue. Okay, when you just continue, so this is the important option, so verification. Okay, so this is simple verification. You can choose another option, but no. When you next, so put here code. Okay, when I put here code, then verify, so my listing verify easily. Okay, so I put code and next. Okay, so code accepted. Next, so select our shop hour. When to your shop open, so select here hour. Okay, 24 hour. For example my shop open in 24 hour in weekly holidays. Okay, this is for example. And then next, so skip this step, skip next, no problem. So select here due in yes. Okay, so delivery yes, if you are online store, so yes or no, and then next. So write here a best description. Okay, for example I write this description next. So select their best logo. Okay, so for example I select this logo. When I select this logo, so I will done, yeah. Okay, so I select one logo and there next. When I will next, so start now, no. Okay, so I will continue. When I will continue, so my listing is verified. You can see my listing is verified, so you can verify this listing very easily process and subscribe my channel. So inshallah, my next video for how to rank GMB.